Hey guys, welcome to my class that's all about digital painting in Photoshop. It covers everything from sketching in Photoshop to base coloring and adding details and different effects to make it look complete. Also, I would be covering on basic concept of composition and lighting when painting a subject in place. I would be explaining you on how to create different styles of background. Not only that, this class will be covering everything you need to understand for painting your masterpiece in Photoshop. Everything from layers, colors, brushes and practicing of sketches and colorings. At end of this class, you will be able to paint your choice of desserts and dishes and also create a scene out of that. All you need for this class is your device, Adobe Photoshop, Wacom or any pen tablet of any level, even beginner ones. And this class to gain complete understanding of styles and techniques to paint your desert masterpiece. You can also pour your knowledge from this class to create something other than desserts too. But for this class, I will be referring to desserts. Here I am, Shivangi, your friend and guide for this class, and I am a graphic designer and digital artist. Have been practicing for past 6 years for now and love to share what I expertise in. If this sounds interesting to you, don't waste time here scrolling. Just tap in and enroll to continue with this fun class. I will see you in the next lesson, which will be all about what I will be covering in class and what's your project will be all about.